Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by clearing oils and buildup so products can grip. Use a clarifying shampoo and towel dry until slightly damp. Next, mist a root-targeted volumizing spray directly at the scalp, sectioning hair into 1-inch strips for even coverage. Once done, take a medium round brush and blow dry each section while lifting at the root for 5 to 10 seconds to set the base. This creates a foundation of lift you will build on in the next step. Now you consolidate lift by working from back to front. Backcomb small 1/2-inch sections at the crown using gentle, short strokes to create internal support. Make sure to smooth the top layer with a brush so texture stays hidden. Then use a low-heat blow dryer to gently set and reshape each teased section, which prevents flattening. Once shaped, mist a light hold hairspray from 8-10 inches away to lock volume without adding weight, and make sure to check balance from both sides. To finish, blast the roots with a cool shot from your dryer to seal cuticle and lock the lift. This ensures longer hold. Then, using your fingers, pinch and twist small sections at the scalp to refine shape and hide teasing, smoothing the top layer over the built volume for a natural look. If roots collapse later, spray dry shampoo at the scalp and massage to absorb oil and reactivate lift. This quick fix often restores height without redoing the entire style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.